I will talk about how can you find your Pansy app on your Wix app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click here or manage down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, so then you click here on settings, you just click on it. Then you go down, so then you will find here branded app, you just click on it. So then here you will find our branded app you have. And here can you find it. I have nothing, but if you have it here, you will find it in this list on your app. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.